Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance Asiana Airlines Baggage Policy Tips for Stress-Free Travel in 2025. Asiana Airlines offers one carry-on, 10 kg, 55 by 40 by 20 cm, and a personal item. Checked baggage varies. Domestic flights allow 20 kg, economy, or 30 kg, business, U.S. routes permit 2 bags, 23 kg economy, 32 kg business. Other international routes allow 123 kg bag. Excess fees apply beyond limits, e.g., $100, $200 for extra U.S. bags. Special items like sports gear or instruments may incur charges. Asiana Club members get bonus allowances. Check flyasiana.com for details. Carry-on allowance. Asiana Airlines allows passengers to bring one carry-on bag plus one personal item, such as a laptop bag, handbag, or small backpack, into the cabin. The carry-on bag must not exceed dimensions of 55 cm by 40 cm by 20 cm, including handles and wheels, totaling 115 cm, and weigh no more than 10 kg, 22 pounds. Business and first-class passengers can bring 2 carry-on bags, each adhering to the same size and weight limits. The personal item must fit under the seat in front of you, though space may be limited at bulkhead seats. Checked baggage basics. The free checked baggage allowance varies by route and travel class. For domestic flights within Korea, economy class passengers receive a 20 kg, 44 pounds weight allowance, while business class passengers get 30 kg, 66 pounds. On international flights, Asiana uses a piece concept. Economy class passengers from the US can check 2 bags up to 23 kg, 50 pounds, each, while business class allows 2 bags up to 32 kg, 70 pounds, each. For non-US international routes, economy gets one 23 kg bag, and business gets 2 32 kg bags. Size restrictions. Regardless of class or route, checked bags must not exceed 158 cm, 62 inches, in combined dimensions, length plus width plus height, including handles and wheels. Bags between 159 cm and 203 cm may be accepted with prior airline approval, but those over 203 cm are typically not transportable. Weight limits are strictly enforced. Bags over 32 kg, 70 pounds, are denied check-in to protect baggage handlers. Infant and child allowances. Infants, under 2 years, and children paying at least 50% of the adult fare receive special considerations. On U.S. routes, infants get 123 kg, 50 pounds, checked bag, while on other international routes, it's 10 kg, 22 pounds. Additionally, one item like a stroller, car seat, baby walker, or bassinet is allowed free of charge, regardless of route. These items must still meet size limits for checked baggage. Asiana Club benefits. Members of the Asiana Club loyalty program enjoy enhanced baggage allowances based on tier. Gold members get an extra 10 kg, 22 pounds, Diamond members 20 kg, 44 pounds, and Platinum, Diamond Plus members 30 kg, 66 pounds, on weight-based routes. For piece-based routes, e.g., U.S. Gold members can check an additional 23 kg bag, while Platinum, Diamond Plus members get up to 323 kg bags total. These perks apply only on Asiana-operated flights. Excess baggage fees. Exceeding the free allowance incurs fees based on route, weight, and piece count. For domestic Korean flights, it's 2,000 Korean won, about $1.50 United States cents, per kilogram over the limit. On U.S. routes, an extra bag costs $100, $200, with overweight bags, 32 kg, at $150 and oversized bags, 159,203 centimeters, adding $100, $200. Non-U.S. international routes vary, e.g., $50, $150 per extra piece in Asia. Pre-purchasing excess baggage online, 24+ hours before departure, offers a 10% discount. Special items. Sports equipment like golf bags, skis, or snowboards may count as one checked bag if within 23 kg, but excess weight or additional pieces incur fees, e.g., $100 USD from the Americas. Musical instruments under 115 cm can be carry-ons. Larger ones, up to 155 cm, require a purchased seat, while those over 158 centimeters must be checked in a hard case with potential excess fees. Fragile or valuable items can be declared for a fee, with liability capped at $2,500 USD under the Montreal Convention. Codeshare and connecting flights. On codeshare flights or itineraries with other airlines, the baggage policy of the operating carrier or the most significant carrier, MSC, may apply, especially for U.S. routes per dot rules. For example, Air Busan codeshares on domestic routes limit free baggage to 15 kilograms. Passengers should confirm allowances with all involved airlines, as Asiana's standards may not apply throughout the journey. Prohibited and restricted items. Asiana adheres to international security standards. Carry-ons are limited to 100 milliliters, 3.4 ounces, of liquids in a single quart-sized bag. Checked baggage cannot contain hazardous materials like explosives, flammable liquids, or lithium batteries over certain watt-hours unless approved. Pets are allowed with restrictions. Small cats, dogs, or birds, domestic only, can travel in cabin for $125–200, counting as carry-on, while larger pets go as checked cargo. Check-in and handling. Baggage must be checked at counters or self-service kiosks before entering the departure hall. Gate check-in isn't allowed. Domestic flights charge 10,000 Korean won, about $7.50 United States cents, for large baggage handling as of November 2020. Plastic wrapping is available for 2,000 Korean won per bag. Damaged or lost baggage claims must be filed within 7 days, damage, or 21 days, loss, delay, with compensation governed by airline terms or international conventions. In summary, Asiana Airlines baggage policy balances generosity with practicality, offering clear allowances and tiered benefits while enforcing strict limits to ensure safety. Passengers should review their specific itinerary, considering class, route, and loyalty status, and plan ahead to avoid fees or complications. For the latest details, especially on codeshares or special items, contacting Asiana directly or visiting flyasiana.com is recommended. Safe travels. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.